this question, different transition metal ions are given. We have to find out the one which contains same spin only magnetic moment value. Spin only magnetic moment can be calculated by using the given equation, that is equal to root of n into n plus 2. Here n is the number of unpaired electrons present in the particular species. Now let's find out the number of unpaired electrons in each of the species given here. The first one is titanium 3 plus ion. Titanium has an atomic number 22 with the given electronic configuration 3d2-4s2. And when titanium forms 3 plus ion, the electronic configuration becomes 3d1. So here the number of unpaired electron will be 1. The second one is chromium 2 plus ion. Chromium has the electronic configuration 3d5-4s1. When they form Cr2 plus ion, the electronic configuration will be 3d4. So the number of unpaired electrons will be 4. The third one is Mn2 plus ion, which has the electronic configuration 3d5 because manganese has 3d5-4s2 configuration. All these 5 electrons will be unpaired. So the number of unpaired electrons will be 5. The fourth one is iron 2 plus ions. Here iron has the atomic number 26 with electronic configuration 3d6-4s2. When they convert into Fe2 plus ions, the 2 4s electrons will be removed to produce 3d6 configuration. So here one electron will be paired, then the number of unpaired electrons will be 4. Because the 3d subshell has 5 orbitals, 3d6 configuration will provide 1 paired electrons in one of the d orbital and other 4 electrons will be unpaired. Hence number of unpaired electrons is 4. The last one is scandium 3 plus ion. Scandium has the atomic number 21 with electronic configuration 3d1-4s2. When 3 electrons are removed, the number of d electrons will be 0 and number of unpaired electrons will be again 0. When two species are containing same number of unpaired electrons, their magnetic moment values will be equal as per the given equation. Now, from these 5 options, we could see that the Cr2 plus ion and Fe2 plus ions have same number of unpaired electrons, that is 4. So, both of them will have a value of magnetic moment mu is equal to root of 4 into 4 plus 2, that is root of 24. So, from these options, we could see that option C is the correct one. That is Cr2 plus and Fe2 plus ions.